Pitagua market. Obasade like this for this job. I'm not out to impress anybody again. If I can't make you laugh, wait for the next comedian. That's why we many. No. Because every time we comedian come outside, some people will come sit down and say an audition. When you perform film, they come say, I'm not impressed. I don't come in the office say you don't impress me before. Everybody day in office. If you don't like what I'm doing, leave it. There's problem enough in this country. First of all, when I go pay gate fee for 1 day, stay for 2 days. Today's August, October 2nd. Lagos, by now, Bishop not close. Tobacco 5K more die for now. No one that fight on the dance now. The next thing now, Lizard go shopping for here. This Nigeria, look. Nigerians are not happy. Everybody is semi-frustrated. You got those days when you come internet for Nigeria, put something like Riddle. People go follow you play now. Now, who get no time for nonsense? One guy go post online. When I was 6 years old, my brother was half my age. Now I am 55. How old is my brother? Then somebody replied, that's your family problem. You carry your family problem to come here. Come on, my friend, come on, bro. Now another one go post online. He say I'm an object. When I'm inside, I'm naked. When I'm outside, I'm naked. What am I? Somebody say you are mad. So the madman that behave like that. Everything is rugged. Buhari will promise us say they can't find cheap workers wey lost. Even Buhari lost. We don't know who will they find. In Nigeria right now, there is nothing like passion. Any business when anybody they do, not for the money. When we meet AY 2008, that's why they tell us, follow your passion, follow your passion. AY is a scam. AY not get passion, now hustle. Before, Bros AY, all in show. Bros will come, he go do select. Before us, and he go say, that's my passion. Since when Bros make money, even the selector of their street, in any born am. And we say, no, Bros, this one no follow, this one. This Nigeria, now kill yourself, even Nigeria girls don't tire. You go see girl go get all makeup, looking all glam. Sense no day. They ask girl simple question. Will you go ahead to marry your fiance if you realize he has esophagus? The girl say it depends. Now they say it depends on what? He say it depends on the level of esophagus. If it's esophagus 1, I can cope. Esophagus 2, I'm going. What will shock me now? They don't always say I will manage him like that. They say, how do you mean? If his family is coping, who am I? Everything rugged. Nobody get time to follow you play. Politicians, he don't even tire them. October 57, we even sweep about. We don't even know how they do independence. Independence from what? From my brother, the thing told you. You cram the war. You cram the problem. Nigeria right now, everybody's their own security. You get the way you go stand for bus stop, somebody stand there, you after 10 minutes, you go ask some bros, where they go? The guy go say, Dio, they go, their boss, no there. No, they know they did this area. Even soldiers now, they fear, they select where they go serve. Everybody is trying to secure themselves. And they watch TV, they post soldiers. If they post, you go salute. They post the first soldier, Sergeant, Rufus, DK, Calabari guy shout, show sir. Post the next one, Sergeant, Ifeanyi Chukwu Port Harcourt, show sir. Post the last one, Sergeant, Mumuni Lawal Medugri, the guy shout, retired sir. Since when the show they go on, one man they spray, guess they look up. Let me see how much he will come and give me the money first. That's when thunder will fight. Now, no job for Nigeria again. For the guys, the easiest job now have no job. They are straight to the government. One rich man carry one girl. Rich man. How this rich man, once you don't give them work, rich man they confused. As he there with the girl begin test microphone around 2 a.m. Come realize say the man hand they busy. Now the girl ask him, baby, and these guys, baby no get age limit. So long as you have something you are baby. Now she call him, baby, what are you looking for? Hear your poor brother now. Something that will benefit you. The guy say what? I say something that will benefit you. Around 2 a.m. You get where the guy do the thing reach, now the guy call the lawyer. Hello, I want to change my next of kin. Now the lawyer say to who? He say, hold on, what's your name? Now the guy say Sandra, to Sandra. Lawyer say Sandra who? Sandra. Don't worry, put Sandra sock away, sock away. You know, Nigerians, we get the power to mix anything. Nigerians, they pray for anything. That's why religion was the biggest scam when we enter Nigeria. Me, I know they stand near men of God. 2 minutes, any pastor will go see 2 minutes, I don't leave up. Because Bible said the day Jesus Christ will come, 2 people go stand, 1 go. First stand with your pastor, who they go? So I don't calculate them. The day Jesus will come, I go stand with either police or NEPA. At least police no fit go mad there. Nigerian police will arrest you for nothing. One boy they walk out one day, empty bag. Now police say, stop there. You are under arrest. The boy say, officer, an empty bag. They say, we know. You are under arrest. The boy say, for what? They say, you want to take laptop put. You can't be walking with empty bag. You have a plan. One NEPA man. For this era where everybody had a red. Now the NEPA guy go one house, go pull ladder for pole. As he walk climb the ladder, they are booking for the compound. Say, okay, Oga, don't climb, we don't pay. NEPA man say, can I see your bill? Aboki say, you wait collect the money, you don't know. NEPA man say, if I don't see the bill, I will cut the lights. As Aboki turn back, NEPA man don't climb up. Now Aboki enter, carry that damn gun, wait till the guy the estate. Now he cock the gun, now he face the NEPA man. Okay, Oga Nefa, face down, make see the thing where he face you. As the NEPA man look down, where he won't come down, now Aboki tell him, if you come down, I fire you. The man won't go up. Aboki say, if you go up, I fire you. The man stand there. Aboki say, if you stand there, I fire you. Oga, what you make I do? Disappear. Now, I say a few things on our list. These white people, those days, in history, we heard that so many years ago they came and then they were carrying our forefathers. They carry our forefathers, they come carry black people when we never ready. Now we're not ready, they can't build embassy to stop us. As you reach, you want to enter US, they'll ask you stupid question. What are you going to do in the US? You will go carry somebody forefather, I don't know, say Peking go find and come. Our government, make Nigeria great again. Make Nigeria great again. We have lost hope, even in hopeless. Nothing is what happening. When they want buy house, they go Germany. They want take treatments, they go UK. They want go vacation, they go Dubai. They want born their children, they go US. Then when they die, they go bury them for Nigeria. Nigeria is cemetery. Do those things here. Look at the way the world is going. People are evolving. Switzerland, they just discovered a plane. They call it the solar impulse plane. The plane, no, they fly with gas, no fuel. They use sun. They don't test run too successfully. You don't fly, go come. The other day, they listen to our Minister for Science and Technology. He said 2 years from now, Nigeria going to produce pencil. Is it the pencil behind the hands of the creator? People are far ahead. We are producing pencil. To do what? By the way, I hope you know that under Buhari era, eraser is now 18 naira. So you can't afford to make mistake. It's expensive. And so, there's a big copy. I don't beg our government. If they cannot invent, if they want copy anything, I gotta take beg them. Better not bring that plane, come here. No say na Nigeria sun dey shine for Benin, rain dey fall for it. As the plane take off, signal go there. When they reach already, they don't lost signal. Even government no go approve am because that time to kill them no go hard. All we need to do now to employ Babalawo. Oh yeah, wait, make them take off. As I take off, oh yeah, draw rain. Okay, I'll come out now, bros. You know, say, this work, I've been in this business for almost 12 years. Shut up, who are you? I'm talking to people that have made it. You're saying, you know, am I what? Shut up there. Upcoming politician. Even in politics, you are upcoming. When you want to make up? But I don't give up. If you even do blood money, no work. My brother, I took to go last, you go be armed robber for this. No. See what's going on? They go thief the whole money. Blame on the people. See Tezani. How many billion? I don't do this work past 12 years. All the money Tezani thief, I never make the tithes. Then when you talk to God, say you don't have respect for Elder. Elder is talk. What nonsense? Elder wait if elderly money, no elderly cost, they go cost. October 1st, 57 years, nothing to show for it. Absolutely nothing. Buhari promised children 1 meal a day. See today the food still dey fire. What are you doing? They promise us change. Immediately they enter, they change promise. You don't count what they have. Average Nigerian man is struggling. Everybody hide the red. My landlord now invest for nothing. My landlord go just see me with fine girl. Hey, now they bring all these girls. Now then they attract some rubber. All these fine girls now then they. And you know Nigerians, we can pray for anything. Now only Nigerian man, if you see a Nigerian man they pray, love go kill you. My church we like prayer. One guy, now according to his work, he did a lead prayer. Now soldier. So what's in the prayer? Go to hear prayer point. I'll begin to pray. Devil keep moving, no stopping, no parking, no lottery. Keep moving, no stopping, no parking, no lottery. The guy called this prayer point one day. Begin to pray. Every foundational cause from the mother's side, break it. Now we start to pray. Father, every foundational cause from my mother's side, I break it, oh Lord. Foundational cause, I break it, oh Lord. Now the guy in Nigeria with a mix. The guy calls it when you pray in tongues, you pray in the understanding of the Holy Ghost. Begin to pray in tongues. If you see how they mix English and tongues, you go shock. Say, Father, oh Lord, every foundational cause, oh I break the leg, oh Lord, Father, oh the leg break. Would they mix everything? Now I live with this. Church, don't take a new tongue. Those days you could join a department at will. You go tell pastors, I won't be quiet. They say that's the leader job. Now they select. If you find tall, you be usher. If you short for one, now you start generator. Once you have pastor will call you my friend. Come on, man. And those days we were singing worship songs. Every song that the average American sings to worship God is actually worship. They are very emotional. I just want to be where you are, dwelling daily in your presence. I don't want to walk our own. We do complain. Now worship be that. That's complain. Now those days, now they try worship God for Nigerian song now. Frank Edward fit come, worship. Lord you reign, ever you're the same. I got my turugi mama, the church will say.